Hello, welcome to this Technic-Force tutorial. In this video, we're going to take a look at how to sell a product through a sales funnel in Cloudfunnels. An important step we'll have to take care of before we can start setting up our sales funnel is loading Cloudfunnels with some products. So to do that, go to the Products tab in the sidebar. Here you can see I've already loaded some products, but we'll create a new one just so you can see the process. First, we'll give our product a title. Then we'll give our product an ID. This has to be completely unique and not shared with any other products. Now there is one very important thing with regards to the product ID. Depending on the payment methods you set up, you might be using an IPN. IPN is an instant notification method that some online retailers like JVZoo and Warrior Plus use to automatically track purchases. So it's important that if you're using an IPN for your payment method, that for each product, the product ID registered on the IPN platform must match the same product ID in Cloudfunnels. Then we'll add our product URL and then give the product a price. The currency tab is automatically set for USD and is the required currency for Cloudfunnels. Next, we can input the tax for this product and the shipping cost. Then we can enter a product description. Below, we'll find a couple of tabs called Subproducts and Optional Products. Subproducts are products that are automatically included with the purchase of this product. So for example, if we checkmark the bronze product, the customer will be forced to purchase the bronze product if they purchase the maximizer. If we leave these blank, then they can purchase this product on its own. Below the subproducts, we have optional products. And these are the products that can be purchased in addition to this main product if the customer chooses. So we'll mark these 4 packages as optional. And we'll go ahead and save. Now we can see our new product has been added to our product list. To further illustrate, I'll show you how we configured these bronze, silver, gold, and platinum packages. Let's take a look at the bronze package first. We'll go to Edit Detail. We can see that the bronze package sells for $10. And that the subproducts, there are no required subproducts. However, as optional purchases, you can upgrade to silver, gold, and I'll checkmark platinum and maximizer with that and save. Let's take a look at platinum. We'll go to Edit Product. Here we can see that for subproducts, you are required to purchase the gold, silver, and bronze package with this platinum package. So with a price of $10 for the platinum, you will automatically be charged the extra $10 for gold, plus $10 for silver, plus $10 for bronze. So the platinum package is actually $40 because of the subproducts. As optional products, you can choose to purchase the optional product. Let me remove that one and we'll add maximizer instead. And we'll save. Now that we have some products to sell, we can create a sales funnel. To do that, we'll go to the Funnels and Sites tab here in the sidebar. This opens a page of all of our current funnels and sites. If we scroll to the bottom, we can create new. Here we'll give our new funnel a name. We'll call this one Awesome Sales. And funnel type. Because we're selling here, we want this to be a sales funnel. The funnel URL is automatically provided based on the funnel name. The base URL we cannot change. However, the URL path, in this case, awesome-sales, we can change. So let's go ahead and do that. We'll change this one to sale. If we already have a funnel named Awesome Sales, we can checkmark this box to overwrite that funnel, but we'll leave it blank. Now we'll go ahead and create. And Cloudfunnels has generated a sales funnel structure for us, including an opt-in page, a sales page, an order form, a confirmation page, and a cancellation page. We don't have to use all of these pages. For example, an opt-in and a sales page are fairly similar. So if we want to remove the opt-in page, we can right-click on this page to delete it. Or we can just cancel that request and leave it blank. If we leave this page blank, Cloudfunnels will automatically skip it and direct it to the next filled page. So let's go ahead and choose a sales page. To build our page, we can either create a page from scratch or we can choose a template. We'll choose a template in this case, and we'll select a template. We can preview the templates by clicking on the preview icon here, or we can just select. When the template is loaded, we'll see a preview shown in the preview pane here. Next, we'll select templates for our order form, confirmation page, and cancellation page as well. I'll meet you back here in just a minute. Okay, so I've selected a few templates for our various pages. First, there's the sales page, and this is where we'll sell our product. Then the next page in the funnel is the order form, and this is where the customer can supply their information. Then there's the confirmation page that the customer will receive after their payment is successful, or alternatively, a cancellation page that indicates that their transaction was unsuccessful. Now, because we have more than one product that we're selling here, we're going to need more than one order form. So let's go ahead and create a new page. We'll call this Order Form 2. And because I want to sell bronze, silver, and gold products here, I am going to need another order form as well for the gold package. So here we'll call this Order Form 3, and we'll add that. And I'll just select templates for these as well. Okay, now notice that although I'm selecting a template for an order form, it's given me all categories of templates here. So there's a massive number of templates to choose from, and most of them are not relevant to our order form. So what we'll need to do is let's go back one step, and here for the order form, let's go into the page settings, and let's let Cloudfunnels know that this page is an order form category, and we'll save those settings. And we have a few new options that have appeared, but we'll come back to that in just a moment. Let's go back, and we'll do the same thing for order form number 3, page settings, category, order form, save, and back. Okay, and now these order forms, they need to be inside the funnel here before the confirmation page. So let's just drag these into the proper order. Okay, and now we'll select our template, and we'll see that Cloudfunnels now recognizes this is an order form category, and so it has limited the number of templates available to us. So we'll select the same order form as we used in the first one, and we see it in the preview pane, and we'll repeat the process again for order form number 3. And again, it recognizes the category now, so we'll select an order form. There, so now we've selected templates for each of our pages. Now, our confirmation page is going to be a generic confirmation. So regardless of what product they order, whether it's bronze, silver, or gold, they will receive the same confirmation page at the end, thank you for your purchase. However, if we wanted to, we could create new confirmation pages, and we could have confirmation 1, confirmation 2, and confirmation 3. And that way, each confirmation page would be personalized. Thank you for ordering the bronze package. Or thank you for ordering the silver package. Thank you for ordering the gold package. And then what we would have to do, let me just show you an example. Confirmation bronze, add. What we would have to do then is drag this to fit into the proper place. So now, when they use the first order form to order the bronze package, they'll receive the confirmation for the bronze package. Then if we want to have a custom confirmation form for the silver package, we would insert another one here between order form 2 and 3. And then this final confirmation package would be for the gold package. So I'm not going to keep this confirmation page here. I'm just going to right click on this and delete it. Okay, so regardless of what package they order, number 1, 2, or 3, they'll receive the same confirmation page. Okay, now we got to configure our pages a little. So let's go to the sales page first. We'll start with the sales page since it's the first page in the funnel. The opt-in is blank, so it won't be counted. It will just be skipped. So from the sales page, we can go ahead and edit the page settings. And you'll see here that the page settings are pretty much standard with all the other page settings. There's nothing really special about the sales page, and we can set this up any way we want. So we'll go back, and we will edit the existing page to adjust the template to our own specifications. And this opens the page editor, and we'll just scroll down to find the Buy Now button. So because we're selling 3 different packages, bronze, silver, and gold, let's go ahead and we'll just rename these packages here. And for the text, we know this is $10. And we'll change this one to $20. And we'll change this one to $30. Okay, now for the Buy Now button, we need to link this to the appropriate order forms. If we look back at Cloudfunnels, we have order forms for bronze, silver, and gold. So let's grab this first order form here, and we'll go to the page settings for that one. And here is the page URL for the first order form. So we'll click this icon here to copy to clipboard. Next, we'll go back to the page editor, and in the Buy Now link here, we'll click on that box, and then we'll go to component settings. And here, for the href link, we will paste that order form link. And we can specify whether this opens in the same window or a new window. And we'll title this one Bronze. Next, we'll do the same thing for silver. We'll select the silver Buy Now link. We'll go back to Cloudfunnels, go back to our page selection, order form number 2, page setup, copy URL to clipboard. Then back to the page editor. We've selected the Buy Now button. Now we'll select component settings, paste in our link, and we want to make sure to erase this hashtag that exists there first. And order form number 2. And like before, we'll make this one open in a new window, and we'll call this one silver. Next, we'll get the link for the gold package. So back to Cloudfunnels, back to the page selector, order form number 3, page setup. Here's the URL. Copy to clipboard. Back to the page editor, select the link, component settings, erase the hashtag, input order form number 3 URL. And again, open a new window, and we'll call this one gold. Okay, so that's set up all of our Buy Now links. So let's go ahead and save this template. And of course, we'd make any other changes to the template that we needed to make. But functionally, this is all we need. Here we can see if they click on this link, the Buy Now button will take them to the order form number 1. This link will take them to order form number 2, and this link will take them to order form number 3. Let's go back to Cloudfunnels, and we'll go back to our page selector. And now let's configure order form number 1. So we'll start with the page setup. Because this is an order form, this is a special page, and there's a few extra features here that we don't see on usual pages. All the standard settings still exist, but there's a few important ones that we want to be sure to check. For sure, because the client is going to be filling in their information, we want to add them to one of our lists, so we'll add these signups to product sales. But most importantly for the order form, we have to select a product. So here is a list of all of our products that we have already configured here in the Products tab. So this is order form number 1. We're going to be selling the bronze package with this order form. And then we also want to select a payment method. Now we do have a tutorial about payment methods, and you can see more about that. But here we will select our PayPal Sandbox number 2. And we will save our settings. And then go back to the page selection form. Now we'll go to order form number 2, and we'll do the same thing. Page setup, select a product, silver, and select a payment method, PayPal Sandbox 2, and while we're here, we'll add these signups to a list and save settings. And back to page selection, order form number 3, page setup, select a product, gold, payment methods, PayPal Sandbox 2, and select a list, product sales, and save settings. Okay, now we can go back to our page selection, and as you'll recall, some of these products had optional products available. So let's open our products in a new tab here. And let's take a look at the bronze package. The bronze package had no sub-products included. However, optionally, you could choose to purchase the Maximizer, Platinum, Gold, or Silver. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to simplify things. I'm going to remove all of these except for the Maximizer. So we'll save that. And the Maximizer is product ID 99990. So we'll copy that to our clipboard. Now we'll go back to our funnel and select the bronze order form. And we're going to edit the template page. So here on the order form, and remember this is for the bronze package, we've got a few fields here in the template for the customer name, email, and additional products. There's also some fields here for date and address that we don't really need. So for this demo here, let me just delete some of these fields here. I'll just click the box and click delete. Click this box and click delete. And I'll repeat that a few times here just to make things simpler. So here we show two different optional products. For the bronze, we only have one optional product. So let's delete one of these. And we'll remove this box as well. Delete. And here we'll offer the Maximizer. And now for the checkbox, we'll select this and then we'll go to component settings and we'll see that this has been named under the inputs as optional products with the square brackets. And here under the value, we're going to paste the product ID number. So if you recall from our products page, the Maximizer had this product ID here, 99990, for a price of $50. So here in the page editor, we want the component setting value to be 99990. And here we can just give this a name. We'll call this Maximizer. And then while we're here, let's just check a couple of other things. The first name, we'll check the component settings. And okay, we'll see that the input hasn't been set for this one here. So we'll choose first name for the inputs so that it is categorized properly. And last name, we'll check that one. And again, the input hasn't been set yet, so we'll choose last name. And for email, let's check that one. And for the input name, we'll require email. And that is required. And were the names required? Let's just double check that. Yeah, the name is required. And the last name is also required. Okay, so let's mark those with an asterisk just so that people understand that that is a required field. Okay, and email. There. Okay, so now we can customize the order form any other ways that we want, but this is basically what we need. We've got the name fields properly set up and the email field set up properly, and our optional product has been set up with the proper product ID. So now we can go ahead and save the template changes. And once it's saved, we can go back to Cloudfunnels. And we'll refresh our order form here. And we'll see our changes reflected in the preview pane. And we can repeat the process for order form number 2 and 3. Now let's open our funnel sales page in a new tab. And we'll scroll down. And we will select the bronze package here to buy now. And here we'll put in our first name. and our last name, and our email. And we will select to purchase the optional product and submit. Oh, we have to check the terms and conditions box and then submit. Now we're redirected to our payment method and we selected PayPal. So we'll input our PayPal credentials, and again, we're in a sandbox right here, so this is our test login, and we'll go ahead and here we can see the details of the purchase. We purchased one bronze package for 10 plus the optional maximizer product for 50 for a subtotal of $60. The tax and shipping are automatically calculated for the total. So we'll go ahead and continue. And we're brought to the confirmation page in the funnel. And that's how you can use Cloudfunnels to sell products in a sales funnel. I hope you found this useful. Thanks very much for watching.